Hello, everyone. Welcome to Universal English Guide, where learning English is simple, clear, and enjoyable. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Hello, everyone. We're really happy to have you here today.
Today, we are going to talk about improving your English every day with motivation. You will learn easy words, simple sentences, and practice slowly with us.
Yes, this lesson is very useful because motivation helps us continue learning.
We will use the phrase, no pain, no gain. It is very powerful.
It is true in fitness, and it is also true in learning English.
Even small daily effort brings results.
Exactly. Learning a little every day is better than doing nothing.
Let's start with the meaning of no pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain means if you work hard, you get results. If you do nothing, you get nothing.
Now repeat slowly after me. No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain.
Great! Remember this sentence because we will use it many times today.
Now, let's talk about daily English practice.
Even 10 minutes every day is very useful.
Consistency is more important than speed.
Let's practice a sentence. I practice English every day.
Repeat slowly. I practice English every day.
Very good. Together, I practice English every day.
Another sentence. Practice makes progress.
Repeat slowly. Practice makes progress.
Together. Practice makes progress.
Now let's talk about motivation sentences.
I can improve my English. Repeat after me.
I can improve my English.
Together. I can improve my English.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Repeat slowly. I am not afraid of mistakes.
Together, I am not afraid of mistakes.
Many learners feel afraid to speak.
They worry about mistakes.
But mistakes help us learn.
Listen carefully. Mistakes help me learn.
Repeat slowly. Mistakes help me learn.
Together, mistakes help me learn.
Now, let's plan a daily English routine.
Morning, afternoon, or evening, choose a time that works for you.
Even 5 minutes is okay. Small steps are still progress.
Let's practice. In the morning, I listen to English.
Repeat slowly. In the morning, I listen to English.
Together, in the morning, I listen to English.
Another example. At night, I practice speaking.
Repeat slowly. At night, I practice speaking. Together, at night, I practice speaking.
Now, let's hear a longer conversation between us. Just listen first.
Liam, how do you stay motivated to learn English every day?
I remind myself why I started. I also practice a little every day.
Do you ever feel tired or lazy?
Yes, sometimes, but I slow down. I don't stop completely.
That's a great idea. Small steps still bring progress.
Exactly. Progress is progress, no matter how small.
Now let's practice some sentences together.
I learn English every day.
Repeat slowly. I learn English every day.
Together. I learn English every day.
Another one. I do not give up.
Repeat slowly. I do not give up.
Together, I do not give up.
And the most important, no pain, no gain.
Repeat slowly. No pain, no gain.
Together. No pain, no gain.
Now let's talk about a fitness connection.
In fitness, if you do not exercise, you will not get strong.
Yes, just like English, if you do not practice, you will not improve.
Let's practice a sentence. I exercise my body and my mind.
Repeat slowly. I exercise my body and my mind.
Together, I exercise my body and my mind.
Motivation helps us keep going even when it's hard.
Let's practice more sentences for motivation.
I never give up. Repeat slowly. I never give up.
Together, I never give up.
I believe in myself. Repeat slowly. I believe in myself.
Together, I believe in myself.
Now we will practice a longer sample conversation with repeat lines.
Sophie, I feel tired today. I don't want to study English.
Liam, small practice is enough. Even 5 minutes is good.
Okay, I will try.
Good. You can do it.
Thank you. I feel better now.
See? Motivation works when you speak kindly to yourself.
Let's practice. I am proud of my progress.
Repeat slowly. I am proud of my progress.
Together, I am proud of my progress.
Another sentence. Every day I get better.
Repeat slowly. Every day, I get better.
Together, every day I get better.
Now, let's combine fitness and English sentences.
I run to stay healthy and practice English listening.
Repeat slowly. I run to stay healthy and practice English listening.
Together, I run to stay healthy and practice English listening.
Another one. I lift weights and speak English aloud.
Repeat slowly. I lift weights and speak English aloud.
Together, I lift weights and speak English aloud.
Now, let's practice some question sentences for daily English.
What time do you practice English? Repeat slowly. What time do you practice English?
Together, what time do you practice English?
Do you practice every day? Repeat slowly. Do you practice every day?
Together, do you practice every day?
Yes, I practice every day. Repeat slowly. Yes, I practice every day.
Together, yes, I practice every day.
Do you feel tired sometimes? Repeat slowly. Do you feel tired sometimes?
Together, do you feel tired sometimes?
Yes, but I continue. Repeat slowly. Yes, but I continue.
Together, yes, but I continue.
Now, short answers for conversation.
I feel happy. Repeat slowly. I feel happy.
Together, I feel happy.
I feel motivated. Repeat slowly. I feel motivated.
Together, I feel motivated.
I am proud of my progress. Repeat slowly. I am proud of my progress.
Together, I am proud of my progress.
Now, let's practice a full motivational paragraph.
I practice English every day. I never give up. I am improving little by little. No pain, no gain. I am proud of my progress. Mistakes help me learn. Motivation helps me continue. Every day I get better. Small steps are still progress. I believe in myself. I practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing every day. Learning English is fun and easy when I am consistent. I am patient and kind to myself. I can do it.
Now repeat slowly after me, sentence by sentence.
I practice English every day.
Together, I practice English every day.
I never give up.
Together, I never give up.
I am improving little by little.
Together, I am improving little by little.
No pain, no gain.
Together, no pain, no gain.
I am proud of my progress.
Together, I am proud of my progress.
Mistakes help me learn.
Together, mistakes help me learn.
Motivation helps me continue.
Together, motivation helps me continue.
Every day, I get better.
Together, every day I get better.
Small steps are still progress.
Together, small steps are still progress.
I believe in myself.
Together, I believe in myself.
I practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing every day.
Together, I practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing every day. Learning
English is fun and easy when I am consistent.
together. Learning English is fun and easy when I am consistent.
I am patient and kind to myself.
Together, I am patient and kind to myself.
I can do it.
Together, I can do it.
Now it's your turn to speak slowly and clearly. Practice every day.
Remember, learning English is a journey. You only need to be consistent.
No pain, no gain. Small steps bring progress.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
Subscribe to Universal English Guide.
Comment below and practice your English every day.
Share this video with your friends.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time. Goodbye.